policy of reservation should be extended to private sector also.
मैं श्री पासवान के इस वक्तव्य से सहमति रखता हूं।
जब तक निजी क्षेत्रों में आरक्षण नहीं मिलेगा ST/SC को, समाज के कमजोर तबकों को, अल्पसंख्यकों को, तब तक उसकी आर्थिक इकोनॉमिकली वो डेवलप नहीं होगा।
Parties traditionally identified with quota politics coming out to back Ramvilas Paswan after the union minister demanded extension of reservations in private sector jobs.
हमारा डिमांड पहले भी था, आज भी हमारी पार्टी का डिमांड है, लोक जनशक्ति पार्टी का डिमांड है कि निजी क्षेत्र में क्या कहते हैं कि आरक्षण क्या कहते हैं कि होना चाहिए। अब उसमें प्रॉब्लम इतना ही है कि निजी आप उसके लिए कानून बनाएंगे कि अफर्मेटिव एक्शन लेंगे।
But Paswan's ministerial colleagues were clearly not enthused.
Ramvilas Paswan has said that he demands that there should be reservations in private sector as well for scheduled caste and scheduled.
Yeah, he has this opinion right from beginning.
Congress, which during the years of UPA 2 toyed with the idea of quotas in private jobs, is asking questions.
So there needs to be certain clarity with regard to whether Mr. Paswan is shooting from the hip, or is this a considered proposal of the BJP NDA government?
With almost 50% reservation in government jobs and educational institutes, the private sector is not welcoming Paswan's idea.
As Ashocham is concerned, I think this is not the very opportune time to be advocating for reservation in the private sector.
The political class has failed to give good governance. Then they blame everybody else. So they want to shift their failure to provide good governance and development onto somebody else and say, oh, private sector will have reservation, which is totally wrong.
In turn, the minister is questioning the industry for not doing enough.
इंडस्ट्रीज वाले को कहते हैं कि जिसमें सरकार को फायदा होता है, यदि सरकार से फायदा होता है, सरकार से कंसेशन लेते हैं, वैसे क्या कहते हैं कि वैसे क्षेत्र में प्राइवेट सेक्टर में जो है रिजर्वेशन क्लास 1 में नहीं कीजिए, क्लास 2 में नहीं कीजिए, क्लास 3 में देख लीजिए, क्लास 4 में देख लीजिए। यदि आपको रिजर्वेशन नहीं दे सकते हैं तो वो रिप्रेजेंटेशन दीजिए।
While it is debatable whether reservations have served their purpose, talk of quota and private jobs seems nothing short of trampling on merit. Bureau Report, Times Now.